Hey guys, Mix here, and today I'm gonna be unboxing a pre-order that I made last May. Now it's the release date. You probably know what this is. I'm gonna open it. I hope this is legit. Oh yes. Look, this is the first Rush Duel video game with the 3 promo cards inside. So now I have my sleeves ready because I'm really excited. I don't want to damage the cards inside. I'm gonna open it. They deliver fast. Amazon Japan delivers fast. I'm gonna put this one aside. I hope you guys can still hear me. They're doing construction work here where I live. And I'm using my headset, so I think the noise cancellation is good so far. God damn it, I won't. Oh, I need a knife. Yeah. Fuck. Ah, there we go. I just tore through it. So, there it is. There they are. If you excuse me, I'm gonna have to grab a pair of scissors so I can tear this properly. Okay, now I have my scissors. We're gonna go and open these up. These are the 3 promo cards. I can't wait. There's the first promo card, and the next card is what I'm after. Hello there. And this Pot of Greed. It looks pretty. I'm gonna put them in, all of them in sleeves. There we go. Would you look at that? Looks really, really pretty. This one too. And all of them are pretty. Oh shit, get stuck. No! Get out of here. They all look nice. Sorry about the lighting here because it's almost sunset. So there are the cards. I'm gonna try playing this later. So thanks for watching.